Envision a surfacing solution that is as stunning as it is sturdy. Welcome to the world of VUBA resin-bound surfacing, the innovative driveway and pathway solution that's turning heads and transforming landscapes. It's not just about aesthetics, though. This material is incredibly durable, designed to withstand the test of time and the elements. Rain or shine, VUBA resin-bound surfacing holds its own, offering a permeable surface that allows water to seep through, reducing the risk of puddles and standing water. But the real draw might just be the sheer variety of design options. You're not confined to one color or style. The palette is your playground. From the bold and vibrant to the subtle and understated, there's a design that's just right for you. And let's not forget the low maintenance factor. A quick sweep or rinse is all it takes to keep your surface looking fresh and new. VUBA resin-bound. Surfacing, a perfect example of beauty meeting resilience, right? Imagine this, a gargantuan clamshell, not deep in the ocean, but right in the heart of a bustling city. This is the reality of the supersized clamshell box culvert install, an incredible construction technology that's definitely worth seeing. A feat of modern engineering that combines the brute force of heavy machinery with the precision of advanced computer programming. Each clamshell, a behemoth in its own right, is carefully maneuvered into place. A dance of steel and concrete, choreographed by skilled operators and guided by state-of-the-art GPS technology. The result? A sturdy, reliable infrastructure that can withstand the test of time, weather, and traffic. No need for manual labor, no need for lengthy closures. This technology is transforming the way we build, ensuring our cities are ready for the future. So next time you're stuck in traffic, remember this. Beneath those wheels, there might just be a supersized clamshell, a testament to the marvels of construction technology. Envision a construction technology that brings the beauty of natural stone to your home. This is where stone wrap enters the scene. This is no ordinary stone cladding solution. Stone wrap takes the raw allure of nature and melds it with the precision and reliability of modern technology. It's not just about aesthetics, though. That's certainly a major selling point. Stone wrap offers a robustness that's hard to match. It's designed to withstand the elements, giving your home a timeless appeal that won't fade with the passing seasons. That's not all. Stone wrap also boasts impressive insulation properties. This means it doesn't just look good. It actively helps to regulate the temperature in your home, keeping you comfortable all year round. Imagine it, the rustic charm of natural stone, the longevity of modern materials, and the added bonus of temperature regulation. It's a game changer in interior and exterior design. Stone wrap, the perfect blend of nature and technology, wouldn't you say? Think about a technology that gives a clean edge to your garden while enhancing its longevity. Enter the unsung hero of landscaping, plastic edging, 58 mm. This marvel of engineering is a game changer in how we approach garden design. Its true strength lies in its flexibility. Imagine being able to shape your garden beds in any form you desire, curving and bending with ease. And it's not just about aesthetics. This durable plastic edging provides a robust barrier, maintaining the shape and structure of your garden beds, come rain or shine. What's more, it's a breeze to install. No need for heavy machinery or specialized skills. A few simple tools and a bit of elbow grease, and you're good to go. This unsung hero stands guard, ensuring your garden retains its pristine condition for years to come. Plastic edging 58 mm, a humble yet vital component in landscaping, wouldn't you say? Imagine a technology that can keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Enter Bolix BQS, a thermal insulation system that's nothing short of magical. Not only does it regulate indoor temperatures, but it also plays a pivotal role in energy efficiency. Think of Bolix BQS as your personal climate control system, working tirelessly to maintain your comfort while reducing your energy bills. But it doesn't stop there. Bolix BQS is also designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions, adding a layer of durability to your buildings. What makes it even more impressive is its ability to enhance the aesthetic appeal of structures, giving them a fresh and modern vibe. It's not just about what's on the inside, but also about making a striking impression on the outside. So, if you're looking for a solution that marries function with form, look no further. Bolix BQS, a perfect blend of function and form, right? Imagine a tunnel, not just any tunnel, but one that harnesses the power of the sun. Meet the Doing Light Tunnel Solar. This isn't your everyday construction marvel. It's a unique blend of innovation and sustainability, utilizing the abundant solar power to light up its path. The Doing Light Tunnel Solar is a testament to how far we've come in eco-friendly construction methods. It's a tunnel that basks in the glow of the sun, soaking up its energy and using it to illuminate its own path. But it doesn't stop there. The potential applications of this technology are as broad as daylight itself. Think of it as a game changer, a revolutionary stride in the field of construction technology. It's about building smarter, not harder, without compromising on environmental sustainability. It's about taking a step forward in preserving our planet, one tunnel at a time. The Doing Light Tunnel Solar, an innovative leap towards eco-friendly, sustainable construction. Innovation is not limited to the skies, it's also under our feet. Let's dive into the Bera Alu sub-base terrace system, a game changer in terrace construction. This system is not just about beauty, it's about durability and ease of installation. It brings in a new era of terrace building, allowing us to create stunning outdoor spaces that can withstand the elements. But let's not stop there. Let's go bigger and bolder with the supersized clamshell box culvert install. This isn't your average drainage solution. It's a new approach to large-scale drainage systems designed to handle heavy water flow with incredible efficiency. The supersized clamshell design is all about effectiveness, providing robust and reliable drainage solutions for even the most demanding situations. So whether we're talking about building a beautiful terrace or tackling large-scale drainage, the name of the game is innovation. From terraces to drainage systems, innovation is everywhere. Decking has entered a new era with Century Outdoor composite deckboard tiles. These innovative tiles set a new standard in outdoor decking with their unique features. They're designed to stand the test of time, showing exceptional resistance to weather and insects alike. Imagine lounging on your deck in the middle of summer, not worrying about any pesky bugs gnawing at your feet or the harsh sun causing your deck to fade. That's the peace of mind these tiles offer. They are crafted from a blend of wood and plastic, providing the aesthetics of traditional wood decking, but with the added durability of plastic. But that's not all. One of the standout features of these tiles is their easy installation. No need for any complex tools or professional help. With a simple interlocking system, your deck can be set up in no time. And the best part? These tiles are built to last, so you can enjoy your outdoor space for many years to come. Century Outdoor composite deckboard tiles, the future of decking is here. Roofs are no longer just a cover over our heads. With the Insulfoam hybrid roof system, they're the future. Imagine a roof that's not just robust, but also energy efficient. That's what the Insulfoam hybrid roof system offers. This innovative technology uses a unique blend of materials to create a roof that's not only durable, but also contributes to energy conservation. Let's delve into it. The Insulfoam hybrid roof system is a marvel in both residential and commercial buildings. It's designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions, ensuring your building stays protected year-round. But the benefits don't stop there. This roof system also promotes energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer, helping to keep your building cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But if you're thinking this technology must be complicated to install, think again. The Insulfoam hybrid roof system is known for its easy installation and cost-effectiveness, making it a top choice for builders and homeowners alike. Insulfoam Hybrid Roof System, a step into the future of roofing. Now, shift your focus to another marvel of construction technology, the General Solar PV. This is not your average solar panel setup. The General Solar PV is a groundbreaking technology that harnesses the power of the sun using photovoltaic cells to convert sunlight directly into electricity. And let's not forget about its efficiency and sustainability. It's a game changer. This innovative technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we build, creating structures that not only shelter us, but also power our lives. Imagine a world where every new building, from skyscrapers to humble homes, can generate their own power. Imagine the possibilities of a future where our dependence on traditional energy sources is greatly reduced. With the General Solar PV, we're not just building structures, we're building a brighter, sustainable future. It's not just a construction technology, it's a symbol of our collective progress. The General Solar PV, reshaping our future, one construction at a time. What if you could cut down on noise pollution without compromising on environmental aesthetics? This isn't just a hypothetical question anymore, thanks to Durasol Bucobran. This innovative noise barrier solution is turning heads, and for good reason. Durasol Bucobran isn't just about reducing noise, it's about doing so in a way that's kind to Mother Earth. Made from recycled materials, it's a truly eco-friendly solution. But don't let its green credentials fool you into thinking it's not tough. This stuff is built to last. Installation? A breeze. Durasol Bucobran panels are lightweight and easy to handle, making the installation process smooth and efficient. Now, where can you see Durasol Bucobran in action? Think highways and railways. Anywhere where noise can be a nuisance, you'll find these panels working tirelessly, silently, to make our world a little quieter. Durasol Bucobran, a silent hero in our noisy world, wouldn't you agree? Imagine a world where concrete repair is no longer a headache. This is the reality with the mc-injek 2133. This incredible technology has revolutionized the way we approach concrete repairs. Its low viscosity formulation allows it to penetrate deeply into the smallest of cracks, effectively sealing them off for good. But it doesn't stop there. mc-injek 2133 also excels in waterproofing applications, providing a robust barrier against water ingress. This magic elixir of the construction world is not only efficient, but also cost-effective. It reduces labor costs and time on site, delivering a swift return on investment. It's not an overstatement to say that mc-injek 2133 has truly transformed concrete repair. It's not just a product, it's a solution. A solution that engineers and construction professionals have been waiting for. And the best part? It's here to stay. mc-injek 2133, a game changer in the realm of concrete repair. In the world of cable protection, one name stands out: Kabelschachtdekung Agus. This innovative solution is designed with the modern world in mind, blending durability and ease of installation in a way that's truly unique. Crafted from robust materials that withstand the test of time, Kabelschachtdekung Agus is a game changer. Its design is not only sturdy but also takes into account the environment. It provides a shield against harsh weather conditions, accidental damage, or any other external factors that could harm your cables. But what truly sets Kabelschachtdekung Agus apart is its simplicity. There's no need for specialized tools or extensive training. It's as simple as place, secure, and protect. This approachable installation process doesn't compromise on durability, ensuring a long-term solution that can handle the harsh realities of modern infrastructure. In this new era, we need solutions that are effective, reliable, and straightforward. For a worry-free cable protection, Kabelschachtdekung Agus is the way to go. Picture a construction technology that lightens the load without compromising strength. This brings us to the fascinating world of lightweight concrete panel installation. This technology, though light in weight, is a true heavyweight in the construction industry. Imagine a construction material so versatile that it can be used in both residential and commercial construction. A material that saves time, saves energy, and even protects against fire. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to lightweight concrete panels. These panels are a game changer in the construction industry. They're made of a special type of concrete that is light in weight yet incredibly strong. This unique combination of properties allows for faster construction times, as the panels are easier to handle and install than traditional concrete. But speed is not the only advantage of lightweight concrete panels. They also offer significant energy efficiency. These panels have excellent thermal insulation properties, which means they can help keep buildings warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This can lead to substantial energy savings over the life of a building, making lightweight concrete panels a smart choice for environmentally conscious builders and homeowners. The benefits don't stop there. Lightweight concrete panels are also fire resistant. In the event of a fire, these panels can help contain the spread of flames and minimize damage. This added layer of protection can provide peace of mind for building owners and occupants. The application of lightweight concrete panel installation is vast and varied. From single-family homes to high-rise office buildings, these panels are revolutionizing the way we build. They offer a unique combination of speed, energy, efficiency, and safety that is hard to beat. So, the next time you see a construction project underway, take a moment to consider the materials being used. Is it traditional concrete, or is it the lightweight, energy-efficient, fire-resistant alternative? The answer just might surprise you. Lightweight concrete panel installation, a true heavyweight in the construction industry. Wouldn't you agree? Picture this, a sewer rehabilitation technology that minimizes disruption to residents and traffic. Enter Ombron W, a revolutionary new age construction solution. This isn't your run-of-the-mill repair methodology. Oh no. Ombron W is all about rehabilitating sewers without the need for disruptive and costly excavations. Imagine no more dug-up streets or blocked traffic lanes. Instead, Ombron W strengthens the existing sewer structure from the inside out, reinforcing it to withstand time and wear. But it doesn't stop there. This technology is not just about convenience, it's also about cost-effectiveness and durability. With Ombron W, you're looking at a solution that's as robust as it is economical. It's a long-term investment that saves you from frequent and expensive repair jobs. So Ombron W, a true game changer in sewer rehabilitation, isn't it?